Okay, so this is how the 4AGE hill climb piston, conrod and bearings look like after 35 hours of quite heavy abuse. It's pretty much in perfect condition. I could even put it back together with the same bearings. Just little marks here and there, but incredible. On the left side is the new 2019 version conrod and piston, and on the right side is the 2017 version. So what I'm going to do now is to put this new piston rod combo into the engine before taking it more apart, just to verify the valve to piston clearances once more, because the cylinder head is going to go to the service and then I don't have a chance to do that for some time, just to make sure it was all as it was supposed to be. Okay, so it is very hard to see here, but the new piston has a deeper intake valve pocket, and we adjusted a little bit the position. So now finally there is enough space for the intake valve to get my cam timing where I originally wanted it to be. So the valve goes now 1 millimeter deeper in the piston as before. Okay, so here we have the cylinder number 1, the new piston design, and just for reference, this is the old piston design and the cylinder number 4. So it's very nice. The intake pocket is finally deep enough, and to still be able to raise the compression ratio a little bit, we adjusted the exhaust pocket not to be as deep as it was, because that was too deep. And then the dome has some little changes and tweaks here and there. Wiseco did a really good job with this again. Cylinder head looks pretty good. There's clearly some carbon and maybe some oil buildup here in the combustion chambers. The valves have not really leaked that much. I did a blow-by measurement before taking the engine apart, so there was some cylinders had a little bit of leak on the intake and some on the exhaust side, but generally the blow-by was still reasonably good. So now it's time for the first actual service of the cylinder head, since I built the engine for Pikes Peak 2015. So I've only lapped the valves a few times when the engine has been opened, but no actual service. Valve spring spacers have a little bit of wear. This has been the problem in this engine from the very beginning. I still don't know why, but the spring actually, the retainer is in good condition. The titanium retainer has no wear, but the washer or the spring seat locator always has some wear. So now next I will pack this cylinder head and take it with me next week to Finland, ship it to Kansiviritus, and yeah, we'll do a service.